Slide down 9999999 miles to admin. This seems like an interesting game. Hey guys, I'm back. So today we're doing a video with my sister Talia and my friend Lily. And so look, we're all getting the Christmas spirit. Me and my sister are, but Lily, you're just wearing Christmas lights. That's what it's about. So today, as you can tell, we're playing a game called Slide Down 999999999 miles. So we thought this would be pretty funny to record. So here we are. All right, we're gonna start. No, Lily, you need a box. Lily, stop! You need a box. Lily, you need a box. I want a Nyam box. Oh, rainbow box. I'll take that. Yay, I'm in a box. Whee! Lily, I see you. Get in. Lily, you knocked me down. Lily, you knocked me down. Whee! Ah! Oh my gosh! What is this game? What is this game?
What is?
Oh my gosh.
Now we're in water.
Illuminati box. Okay. Illuminati. Illuminati confirmed.
Okay.
Illuminati box. Guys, everybody remember to get in their box. Otherwise you will die.
No. I'm not in the box. Lava. Hey.
No?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I think
Oh my goodness. Guys,
my cat said too much fish.
I'm suffocating under the water. I am suffocating myself. Woo! Yeah.
Guys, you know I'm still
Lava.
Baker Street.
I'm not dipping my head in lava like I was in the water. Surprised I didn't drown. Whoa, what is this?
No.
What is going on?
Lava. Okay, I'll just finish. Yeah, let's go.
Oh, yay.
Oh, a rainbow.
I can see a dojo. Seriously? Ooh. Wait, what happened? Did my box just go to the start or not? No, it didn't. That did not happen at the start. Did I win?
No.
No, I almost won. I was almost at the
I am way past
No.
nearly at the end. Oh, that's that lead to the last jump. Let me make it. Because before I missed it, I made it. No, you didn't.
You know, I'm gonna do Lily's thing where you go down without a box.
I am stuck. I made it.
There's a Doge and a diamond box all in one.
I'm here. No, I've done it.
How do it?
Look.
Look, Talia. Oh no, I don't want to go in Patrick's box. Hey, what box did you use? What box did you use?
What is the point in this? I used Nyam.
This game is weird. I use a Nyam cut and hopefully win. This video will be quite short because there's not much that you can do. Spawn Nyam box. I also accidentally spawned all the other boxes. But I just want a Nyam box. Please give me Nyam box. Oh my.
Hello, Lou.
Yeah, I need to spawn another Nyam box. That didn't work out. No, wait for me. Nyam! Nyan, you were meant to wait!
Okay, what is this?
Nyan! No! Nyan!
What is this?
Nyam!
I need to see this. Don't tell me it's rainbow plastic. I get a flying carpet. I get a flying carpet.
Oh my gosh.
I am on a flying car. Yeah. Look at me.
Oh my.
I used to just die and I died.
You did it and then you died. I'm doing Nyan box. That seems to be the lucky box.
Goodbye. Wait, can we do it together?
No, I wish we could. Let's go with no box together. Don't steal my Nyan box.
I look ridiculous right now.
I'm selfish.
You told me not.
Look. Wait. I have a thing to do. Lily.
I want to.
Wait, guys, ready? Look. Wait. Watch. This is gonna be funny. Ready?
Oh, come on.
I believe I can fly. Spin my wings into. As planned. Right, I'm gonna take the Nyan box again.
Goodbye.
And the Nyan box. Nyan. The Nyan. 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 No, Nyan. The Nyan box left me.
Wait,
Like-
pause it.
No, don't. He's like, no, don't sit in me. I will not let you sit in me. Guys, I just won. Guys, we win.
We win.
We are the
English.
champions.
We
The
are the
world.
champions.
Yeah, I am the champion. I am the champion. I am the winner. Guys, I think I'm gonna go. Goodbye. Goodbye, guys. I literally flying dog away from the map.
I'm right.